my name is Miss Spears, chemistry teacher at Booker T. Washington High School, and I am super excited about being here at the STEM library. My students are now working on the phenomena with oysters. We're trying to figure out why are all the baby oysters dying on the West Coast, and they found out that the reason is because the ocean is so acidic. So on tomorrow, the students are going to be looking at the pH levels, whether solids are acids or bases, and yeah, I'm super excited about getting ready to do this with my students on tomorrow.
Hi, I'm Amanda Bauer. I teach 11th grade biology at Booker T. Washington High School, and we are currently preparing for a lab about lactose and whether certain enzymes can actually break that down and turn it into glucose. We're studying larger how proteins can be affected in the body, looking at specifically those in Duchenne muscular dystrophy. I'm not quite sure how we're going to implement this with students, but I came here because I know there's a vast majority of resources at the STEM Library Lab that I can use to help plan this and figure out how it works into my course.
All right, so this is going to be like a dope day for science at Booker T. Washington. So for Miss Spears, we've got well plates. We've got a number of different dehydrated materials that are going to be added water to for pH. And because she's traveling from classroom to classroom, we've got her a way to keep her water source so she can move really easily. For Miss Bauer, we've got all the stuff she needs for this Inquiry Hub lab. And because we know from past experience that this lab doesn't always go as planned, because when you add the lactose at the levels that you need for this glucose meter, it thinks that you are legally dead. So we've added some regular test strips to make sure that when that happens, that she's all set. So I'm really excited. This is gonna be a lot of fun. Yay, Booker T.
Yay!